news now from Kerala and slamming the Kerala government for not taking any action so far on the Hema Committee report on problems faced by women in the Malayalam film industry. A division bench of the Kerala High Court has directed the government to hand over the entire report of the Hema Committee to the Special Investigation Team. Remember, the Special Investigation Team is speaking to many members of the fraternity, and the court has asked them to file a report as to what action can be taken on the basis of the report. This is the Mollywood Me Too storm. The opposition hit out at the government.
Kerala High Court has made a very, very severe critical reference about the Kerala government stand that they have taken of keeping the Hema Committee report under wraps. It amounts to indictment of the failure of the Kerala Home Ministry, which is handled by the Chief Minister. Okay. When such a serious assessment has been made by the High Court, anybody with some self-esteem would immediately resign from that post. So the Kerala government, the Chief Minister has chosen not to do that. Instead, he has said that we are the only state where a committee was appointed. No other state has appointed committee.
The observations of the court is, one, that with the full committee report with it, why did the government not act? Because in its own view, there were several instances where either under the IPC sections of rape or under POCSO, action could have been taken. The second part of it is that the Advocate General had given a sealed copy of the complete Hema Commission report to the court, to the special bench which has been constituted, in fact, which has two judges. It's a two-judge bench, including Justice C.S. Sudha. What they've said is that the SIT will go through the Hema Commission report and look for any cognizable offences that have been made there and what action can be taken on the part of the government. And only after the action taken report from the government is received, or the action that could be taken report is received from the government, only then the cover would be opened by the court to see whether the necessary action has been initiated by the government or not. What the Advocate General has replied in court is that the Hema Commission report itself had not specified or identified individuals, either the survivors or victims as we may call them, or the perpetrators of that crime, and that it is only gone through the details of the sexual instances of sexual harassment or another kind of harassment that may have happened to these women, and therefore they were not able to act on the basis of those observations. What the court has also said is that what is a bare minimum that the state government should have done, and how are you going to address the problems faced by not just women in society and not just the film industry they have spoken about. And they have said that in a situation, in a state like ours, where in fact the population of women is greater than that of men, that means the majority of the population is wronged in some manner. What has the government done in order to be able to correct that? That's the kind of observations that the court has made.